How to turn off email, feedback, notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off email, feedback, notifications on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and here you will find profile, click on it and then click destroy lines in the top corner, and now click settings and privacy and then scroll down, click push notifications and scroll down again. Here you will find it email notifications. Just click on it and here you will find feedback, and now all you need to do is just click on it and that's it. Go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.